You're at the grocery store?
No.
Now, what are you going to buy?
This. On my budget, this,
Okay. I'm not sure where Woody's hat is. Are you all done buying everything, Rachel?
Almost.
Oh, scan Woody.
And that.
Scan that.
And that.
And scan that.
And that.
And scan that one.
And that one.
And La Loupe, okay. And is that your phone or are you buying it? You're buying it? Okay. Good girl. Make sure everything goes back in the cart. Mm-hmm.
Should the other ones come off the barbecue?
Mm-hmm. Where are you going now? Oh, you forgot your cue. There you go. And the hat. Where are you going now?
Not at my home.
Not to your home? Oh, you're buying a shoe too. Okay, bye-bye.